Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the condenser fan motor in your wine cellar, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the appliance away from the wall or cabinet. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread all of the top mounting screws, securing the lower rear access panel. Fully unthread the right side mounting screw as well. Loosen the 3 screws on the bottom, and you can lift off the panel. Next, unthread the upper screw and the 2 lower screws, securing the condenser fan motor mounting bracket. Rotate the bracket to remove and disconnect the wire harness. You will now need to unthread all 8 screws securing the housing and motor. Use a 7/32" socket or wrench to help unthread the 4 nuts. Install the new condenser fan motor by positioning it in the housing. Align the housing on the mounting bracket so the wire will be positioned toward the inside of the appliance. Thread the screws and nuts to secure. Make sure the washers are in place before threading the nuts. Connect the wire harness, then reposition the mounting bracket. Rethread the 3 screws to secure the bracket. Reinstall the access panel by aligning it on the bottom screws. Tighten the screws. Fully rethread the remaining mounting screws. Push the appliance back against the wall or into the cabinet. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your wine cellar should be ready for use.